Hello guys and welcome back. So before starting the video, subscribe to my channel because you're gonna get some amazing content coming up. Starting with the video guys, this is the Monopod cum selfie stick. I got it from Singapore, as you can see the language. So let's unbox it and I will tell you its review, how it does it look and how we can use it. So here is our selfie stick, or you can say monopod. Let me keep it here. Open this. These are its legs on which we open it, and you can keep it like this here. And here we have the charger and a user manual which no one reads. With the video, it is a Bluetooth connected device. This is its controller, and let me show you how it is connected. So here we will go to the Bluetooth, which is right here. I have enabled it. I will switch this on, and now it will pair it up with it. So you can see here Remax P9 connected. Yes, you can see it, Remax P9 connected. So now it's connected. So we'll open the camera app and I will put it in this, attach it like this. I'll open it and it is attached properly. Now with this controller we can take photos, like you can see here, and we took the photo. So I usually use this for videos, still videos, slow-mos and time lapses. So I will attach a time lapse taken by this at the end of this video. So guys, this was a quick review of this Remax selfie stick. Subscribe to my channel for more further amazing content, and you can see here the image quality is also really good and still. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.